people say we both know I couldn't change you. I guess you could say the same. Can't rearrange truth. I've never seen someone lie like you do. So much even you start to think it's true. Ooh, get me out of this loop. Yeah, yeah. So now we play separate scenes. Now she's in my bed, laying on your chest. Now I'm in my head, wondering how it is.
We love you! Happy birthday, the best!
Feeling sorry. I showed you all my demons, all my lies. Let you play me like a Atari. Now it's like I'm looking in a mirror. Hope you feel alright when you're in her. I found a good boy and he's on my side. You're just my eternal sunshine, sunshine. Break, shake, this is fate. Rewrite, won't break, just life, death.
Okay, happy birthday Ate Arkel Jabeira. Wish ko for you, sana makatapos ka ng una ng pag-aaral mo. Ma-enjoy mo ang buhay bago pa man din ang iba. Lagi yung sinasabi sa'yo, unahin mo ang sarili mo. Mahalin mo muna ang sarili mo bago ang ibang tao. Kung magbibigay ka man ng happiness, unahin mo muna yung sarili mo.
Happy birthday, anak. Alam mo naman na mahal ka namin. Pinag-pray natin itong dibo mo na to na matuloy. At alam mo sa sarili mo na marami nagmamahal sa iyo. Nandito lang kami ng mga magulang mo, lola at lolo mo, mga kapatid mo na susuporta all the way sa lahat ng gusto mong gawin sa buhay mo. Basta alam lang natin na tama at alam lang natin na ang tatahakin mo ay nasa ayos. Always, God bless you and more happiness.
I've been waiting for this moment. This time I'll do it on my own. This time I know I'll find my way. This time I know I'll find my way. This time I know I'll find my way. This time I know I'll find my way.
Happy birthday, ate. Thank you sa lahat ng binigay mo sa akin. At stay healthy. I love you. You're the best ate in the world.
Si ate yung papaalala niya kung kumain na ba yung aso. Tapos pag hindi niya, nalaman niyang hindi pa, talagang sigaw talaga eh. Talagang bibitaw. Kasi gusto niya lagi kumakain yung aso, mahal na mahal niya kasi yun.
Happy birthday, Ira! We love you!
Happy birthday! Mahal na mahal ka namin so much.
Happy birthday again, Arkel. I love you.
Happy birthday, ate Arkel. We love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Ira.
This time I know I'll find my way. This time I know I'll find my way. This time I know I'll find my way. This time I know.
Happy birthday, Ate Ira. Sana tumalab na yung chair mo and stay strong. We love you.
Si ate, nung bata pa kami, talagang tinuturuan ko siya sa mga assignment niya. Nagpapaturo sa akin, JB, paano ba tong math namin? Sabi, sige, ganito lang yan. Tinuturuan ko siya, kaya mahal na mahal talaga ako ni ate.